Good Sunday morning from Bolivar, Missouri. So I just finished doing some encoding and then tallying on a spreadsheet because I wanted to go over stuff that I brought to the convention to sell. And I thought after I fix my spreadsheet, I'd like reflect on my experience yesterday at the Toys R Us convention, because that's the first time I actually sold stuff at the convention. I mean, I've attended previous toy conventions before where I come in as a buyer, but then I've never really thought about actually being a seller. So yesterday was the first time I did so. And at the same time, I've gained some insights and actually discovered something about myself. So after I sat on my corner in the convention, setting things that I priced last night, the other night, and figuring out how much I was going to sell them, because when I brought those items, I did not intend to trade with Rob. I thought I'd sell some items and see how I would fare. I've never really done that on my own or in person, so I thought maybe this opportunity might be a good time to see how it really feels. So as I was sitting down, as people were coming in, I thought about, hey, how am I going to get people to my table and then get them interested in the stuff that I brought? So I didn't realize that I was creating a script in my mind, like aside from greeting them good morning, good afternoon, so trying to ask them things that they like I thought about asking them, what are the top 3 things in your collection, or what are the top 3 things you like? And then from there the conversation started to roll in. And then from there some of them actually exchanged stories with me about new things about HasLab projects, or an interesting fact about like a toy line. And I was discovering people. There was even one guy that recommended I go to this good chicken restaurant in Ohio on the way back home. So I said, hey, that's a good suggestion. So it kind of brought out the extrovert in me, because honestly, I'm not really an extrovert. When I get comfortable with somebody, that's when I start to open up. I start to share stories or share insight with other people. But yesterday was an enlightening and at the same time refreshing look at what it's like to be a seller. In particular, you think not about yourself, but you think about other people. You try to think about what would interest them, what would draw them into something that you have. And it was quite remarkable experience. I did see some old friends, and anytime I'm with my fellow Joe enthusiasts, it's a conversation that's unending. But to actually talk to people I have not met before, that was quite an experience, and a realization that I can be that kind of person. So this Toys R Us conversion gave me that insight, and I'm like, it's actually fun. So kudos to all those people who are my friends, who are trying to make a living out of stuff that they like, stuff that they collect, but have fun, and at the same time get to meet new people and encounter new things that you wouldn't regularly think about or encounter in everyday life. So that's my short reflection this morning.